Guys, it's India. Welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a little weird, but I want to go ahead and insert this clip in the beginning of my video because I am kind of just coming up with this idea because I have been filming so many crochet braid videos lately. So this week is going to be a week of crochet. So we're going to talk about it every single day for 5 days, you guys. So definitely be sure to turn on your post notifications so that you are notified every time I upload this week. We're going to be ranking different crochet braid hairs. We're going to be talking about my favorites, the ones I hate. We're going to be talking about different products that you may need for a crochet and everything else like that. Included in this week of crochet is going to be a Q&A. So on Friday, I'm going to post a crochet Q&A. So I want you guys to be sure to leave all of your questions in the comment section down below. Anything you have ever wanted to ask me related to crochet, whether it's my favorite style, the style that I hate, or what type of products you need, what's my morning routine, nighttime routine, what crochet is good for swimming, what crochet is good for this or that. Whatever your question is, be sure to put it in the comment section down below. I'm going to be answering all of those questions and posting the video on Friday for you guys. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump right into today's video. India, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another crochet braid video. We are going to be talking about the worst crochet styles I have ever done in my history of wearing crochet braids. But before we jump into today's video, I just want to go ahead and mention my hair that I'm wearing today, which is not on the list of the worst. This is on the favorite list. Okay, this is the Freetress J Wand curl. You guys definitely be sure to click the link in the cards and in the description box down below so that you guys can check out this video. I absolutely love this crochet braid style. And before we get into today's video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, turn your post notifications on, give the video a thumbs up, sis. You know the drill. And if you don't know the drill, then you must be new to the channel. So welcome. Let's go ahead and jump right into today's video. Okay, you guys, so this was kind of difficult for me to do, but I just felt like since I did a video on my favorite crochet braid styles, which if you have not seen that one, I'm gonna link that one too for you guys in the cards in the description box down below. Y'all definitely be sure to go check out my favorite crochet braid styles. But you guys, this was difficult for me to do because I really like most of my crochet braid styles, but these three I can honestly say never again. Okay, never again. So the first one that we're going to talk about is Freetress Water Wave. Now, let me just say, I know Freetress Water Wave is like a classic style that everybody loves. Like it's an old fan favorite crochet braid style, Freetress Water Wave. However, when I installed that hair, it was a no for me. And it may have been a no for me. It may be my own fault as to why it was a no for me, but I was highly disappointed. And so let me just kind of explain to you guys what happened. So I wanted like a wavy style, something that looked like water wave because I was going on vacation. So I decided I was gonna go ahead and install that hair. Now, if you guys are not new to my channel, you know with every crochet braid style, I split the hair. Even if I don't split it like around the whole head, which normally I do, in rare cases I don't, but for this specific style, for water wave, if you split it, it's over. Like you can't split it. Water wave is one of those crochet braid hairs that you cannot split. You literally have to install it as it comes or the curl pattern is just gonna be ruined. You will not be able to clump it back together like I was thinking I would be able to do. When back in the day, this was years ago, when I was using mousse on my crochet braids to like clump it back together, I thought I would be able to do that with the water wave, and it wasn't happening. It was not happening. So what basically ended up happening is it was a fro. It turned into a fro, and that's cool if that's like the style that you're going for, but I was not going for that. I was not going for that style at all. So yeah, that one had to go. And for me personally, weight is an issue with styles. So I have figured out, you know, which crochet braid styles I can wear, how I can install it, how I can split the hair and all of that to make it lightweight for me. And I know with Freetress Water Wave, if I had installed it as it came in like single pieces in the pack, I would have had to use probably around 8 to 10 packs to be able to fill my whole head, and that would have been way too heavy for me. So for me, it's a no. It always will be a no. I would never pick that hair up ever. Okay, and Freetress has so many new crochet braid styles anyway that I would never go back to that traditional blue, yellow, white pack. I wouldn't pick up none of that, sis. Like, you shouldn't pick up none of that. Like, that stuff is old and played out. Okay, Freetress has so many new styles and their quality is so much better now. So yeah, Water Wave, it's a no for me. Okay. Number 2 is going to be Congo Curl. I believe Congo Curl is by Zuri Sis. I'm gonna double check, but I'm pretty sure it is. I'll put it across the screen just to make sure. But that hair, when I installed it, it was cute. Like, I like big hair, right? I like big hair. I like the style of the hair, the curl pattern, all of that. But Congo Curl feels like carpet. Like, it is so rough. It is the most coarse crochet braid hair that I have ever tried. Like, I'm pretty sure that one takes the cake. Like, that one is super coarse, very rough, very kinky. And to me, you can get that same look, like that same like big curly type of crochet braid style with a different type of crochet braid hair, which will be softer and more manageable versus that Congo Curl. I mean, I wore it. I'm not gonna say I didn't like it. Like, when I installed it at the time, it was like, okay, this is cute. But now that I've worn so many crochet braid styles, I'm just like, I would never pick that up again. Never. It's way too rough, way too coarse. Like, it's not necessary. Like I said, there are so many new styles that you can use to get that same look that I just, it's gonna be a no for me. And it matted up like really badly. It was just, never again, never again. Number 3 is going to be Dalva Human Hair Crochet. So, and I would not even say, I'm gonna say Dalva because that's the brand that I tried out, but I personally would never wear a human hair crochet. Well, I don't like to say never. I never say never. I don't know what I may do, but I have no plans to, and I do not see the point of human hair crochet braids. I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't see the point, the reasoning behind it. It's just giving like no to me. I feel like the purpose of crochet braids is no maintenance, like, or very low maintenance, versus with the human hair, it's like, well, let's just talk about it for a second, because the Dalva human hair, it's very long. It was waist length and it was a loose wave pattern. When I installed it initially, I was like, oh, this is pretty. Like, I loved how soft it was because it's human hair. So, or maybe a human hair mix or whatever, but basically, you know, human hair. It was very soft, and you can put heat on it as well, like curl it, flat iron it and stuff like that. But after a few days, it was like, this has to go. This has to go. Like, it was so matted up. Like, it was losing its curl pattern, I guess, from, I don't know if it was the products that I was spraying on it, which to me, that doesn't really make sense, because if it's human hair, I should be able to put any product on it. So I don't know about that one, but that could have been a reason as to why the curl pattern was loosening up so much. And also, it was getting tangled. I was just like, Like, if y'all have seen the video, I have the original and I also have an update where I'm like holding the hair like this, and I'm like, it's matted up. And it definitely was. And for me, the human hair crochet braids, it just doesn't make much sense. Like, I don't know. Like, would any of you guys be like, oh yeah, I want a human hair crochet braid style? Like, why not just wear the curly synthetic style for whatever length of time and then just be done with it and install something new? And if you want human hair, just get a sew-in or make a U-part wig or get some clip-ins, you know, something like that. But I don't know, human hair crochet, it was a no for me. And like I said, it matted up really badly, and I just would not pick it up again, or any other type of human hair crochet. I would not I wouldn't pick it up. I just wouldn't. But yes, so those are my worst 3 crochet braid styles. I really don't have too many, you guys. I really enjoy the crochet braid styles that I wear, and it's very rare for me to be like, no, I do not like this one at all. I feel like I'm pretty good with picking out what styles I think I'm gonna like based on whatever kind of look I'm going for at that time. So yeah, that is going to be it for today's video. Definitely be sure to check out my favorite crochet braids. I will link that in the description box and in the cards for you guys to check out. Let me know if you have any crochet braid styles that you have tried that you have said no, never again. Let us know down below so we can be sure to not pick those up. Okay? Don't forget to subscribe on your way out. Give the video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.